Well, hello everybody, it's Chris again from Cheap Tech, back again with another video, and I've just had the new Echo Dot arrive. So this is the old one, and this, you have to say, is been one of the big hits for Amazon. These must have sold in the millions, and I think we all pretty much know what these little bad boys can do. So they've just updated it. Today's the launch date. It's literally just arrived on my doorstep, so I thought, what a better way than to share a quick unboxing with you guys. So let's just take it out of the bag. Okie dokie, so we can see there just typical Amazon packaging. They may have updated the devices, but they haven't updated the packages. It's all pretty much the same around the box. Nothing massively exciting. So let's just get rid of this little pull tab. So if you haven't seen these advertised, they're supposed to be a little bit bigger, better speakers, better sound, all round better, I suppose you could say. They're keeping the same price of £50, which is excellent. So should be good. So I've gone for the white one, and straight away, wow, that feels quite a bit heavier. That's a lot heavier. So what else is in the box? Just the usual Amazon bump. Is that a word? Bump. And there we've got an Amazon power brick. Again, pretty similar to, if you can see there, 15 watt. So let's put the box and the paperwork to one side. Okay, so let's just take this out of the packet, or the packaging. Feels like there's a flap on the bottom. Come on, I'm getting that plastic sound in for you just to get you all excited. Okay. So, if we just compare the two, let's have a quick look there. So we've got microphone, button there, same there, plus minus, and is that like a function button, a stop button? I don't think I've ever actually pressed that button. Around the back we've got power and microphone. Yeah, 3.5 jack lead, so that must be to go out to a different device. So it's gone from micro USB to a proper dedicated power jack. Nothing around the front, rubberized feet. I mean, you can see just looking at them the size difference. And I'm not kidding, there's a fair old chunk away there. You can see around the side of this one's like a fabric-y material. Oh, I say. So I've bought this direct from Amazon. I've obviously got an Amazon account. Look how bright that light is. Just warming myself around the light. I would imagine, I've done this previously when I bought direct from Amazon. It already sets up the device. So spooky.
Hello. Bringing your device online. Just a moment. Ich verbinde dein Gerät. Bitte hab einen Moment Geduld. Connexion de votre appareil. Veuillez patienter.
Connessione del dispositivo in corso. Attendi. Espera un momento a que el dispositivo se conecte.
So, Cheap Tech being multilingual this night, tonight. Hey. So I think we can see there we've got four microphones. I don't know how much is just going to fry the cat. There we go. There we've got 4 microphones. When I believe there used to be 7 on the old one. Oh.
Your device is ready.
Oh, okay. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 7:44 p.m.
So straight away, that feels a lot louder. I'm not quite sure. Oh, Struth, I'm only about halfway up. So let's try a little bit of music. Alexa, play Absolute 80s.
Absolute 80s.
Wow.
Website and making your own way, unless you're driving, in which case you should pull over first. Try Website Builder for free at godaddy.co.uk.
Music time.
Alexa, stop.
Thank you for listening to Absolute 80s.
Well, you're welcome.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. So just, just play a little bit of music there. Obviously it's the radio. Hopefully I don't get copyright strikes, which shouldn't really matter because I don't monetize. But from the off, that's a lot better. That's a lot better sound than the previous model. Easily good enough for a bedroom, or if you're not into your massively loud music, that's easily good enough. I've got to do it because I always do it when I play with these things. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why did the raisin go to the dance with a prune? Because he didn't have a date.
So there's one you can take with you to work tomorrow. So there you go, guys. There's a quick look. We all thought this was worth the money, and I've got to say this is even better. Let's get it in focus again. This is the Amazon Echo Dot 3. Third rendition, Series 3, whatever you want to call it. Well worth £50 or $49.99. If you're a bit strapped for cash, Amazon are doing it on the monthly as well, which is always worth looking at. And yeah, I would say go for it. I will be doing a bit more of a comparison against the older version. I'll get some audio samples and things, and we'll see what the difference actually is in decibels and all stuff like that. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you again in the next one. Bye for now.